So in our last video, we talked about sending out your Google form using that shortened URL or just the link, however you want to do it. And now, once you have some responses, you'll see next to the questions tab, this is where you built your Google form, there are some actual responses that you can see. So first, let's just look at the tabs up here. When you open responses, it automatically gives you that summary. So you can scroll down and see the average, the median, the range. I can see the total points of this quiz. Now, if you did a form that's more like a survey, you probably won't see that. But here I can see the scores of whoever responded. And then I can see the first question, what color is the sky? Everyone got that. What's 2 plus 2? Almost everyone. Like you can just kind of scroll down and see, in this case, a bar graph. Sometimes it's sometimes it's a pie chart. And there's just different ways to display that information from the Google form. So again, to get here, we clicked on this response tab. So when you open your form, you see the questions, click on responses, and then you can scroll down to see the summary, or we'll look at question next.